This video is about rebuilding the separation pad located in the paper tray. I will show you 3 methods that work for me. I rebuilt the pads because the ones available come from China, and as you know, it takes roughly 15 to 20 days or more to get them. I did try purchasing one from Florida, which took longer to get here in New Jersey than those I ordered from China. Obviously, the reseller was a fraud, ordering his from China and repackaging. So anyway, here is a typical paper tray, and I show one method of restoring the pad by sanding its surface or roughing it up. You want to create some friction or resistance on its surface. The other method was to tape a strip of metal cloth. I used 400 grip on the pad. That method works very well, although it causes the papers to curl over or kink. I should have used maybe a 600 grit. My third method was to remove the existing pad and spray its surface with a rubber sealant like Flex Seal. When you do that, it'll be rough. You just smooth it with your finger and you're good to go. By the way, avoid touching the pad surfaces because the oils from your fingertips accumulates over time, causing the pads to harden and become slick and useless. That's what wrecks it, and they don't tell you about that. Thank you for watching.